Hello everyone, you're welcome. In this video, I'll be showing you a crucial thing about the Mises browser and some of these pop-up that normally come out whenever I want to log into a project and you suddenly see a pop-up popping out. So many people have been telling me to create a video or asking me why this happens. Okay, so from my experience, I'll be telling you how to go about the whole process and why it happens. It has happened to me many times. Okay, now there's an example I'm going to be showing you. Let me just open this page and show you what it looks like. This is my Mises browser and I've just opened it. There's a pop-up that is going to show automatically. Just watch and see. You can see now, you can see over there now that this pop-up just showed when I haven't even granted access to it. This pop-up has just showed and I haven't granted access to this pop-up. Now, why this is showing is because most of these Mises browsers are not, most of these softwares are not compatible to your phones. Most of the softwares are not compatible to your phones, and some of the extensions that are being built don't normally work in all browsers perfectly. So if you are using a different Android browser, you have to be sure that some of these softwares won't work in your phone. So how to go about this process is that if you're experiencing this, you have to just head over to that particular software that's giving you that issue. Now, for example, this is the speed, one of the projects that I've been doing, and it's giving me this issue in my phone. So how to solve this issue is to head over to that particular extension. Okay, now to head over to that particular extension, you have to come over to this section over here. You have to come over there and then go and look for where you have extensions. Look for where you have extensions. This is where you have extensions. You click over there and then you locate that particular extension that is giving you that issue. Locate that particular extension that is giving you that issue. And this is the extension that is giving me that issue in my phone. This particular extension is giving me that issue. So the easiest way to do this is to turn it off. Is to turn this off. Okay. Now, if you turn this off now, you can see that that problem is not going to exist in your phone again. Now, let's go back and show you an example of what I'm talking about. Now, I've just turned it off and screwed back to my page. Now you can see that that pop-up is not showing up again. It just took us to the page where we were. Okay, so you can see that that pop-up is not showing up again. That is how you go about the process. Now, the reason why this normally happens is because, number one, I told you earlier on that the software might not have a particular a particular footage in your browser. And some of these Android browsers do come, Android browsers, when you install them, and based on the version of your phone, it might not be enabled correctly. So how to go about it is just to do what I've just showed you. And now, if you look at here, if you come over here, sorry, if you come over to this place, you see that that extension that I disabled is not showing. Okay, now these are all the ones that are showing. These are all the ones that are showing that are working currently well. These are the ones that are showing currently well. Now, that particular one is not showing in this place because it has an issue. But these ones here that are showing here now are working very, very well in my phone. Okay, so now for you to do that, whenever you want to go to that project, just head over here, head over to that particular extension, head over to that particular extension and turn it on. Okay, you head over there, click on that particular, locate where that particular extension is, locate where that particular extension is and turn it on. Now if you turn this extension on, you see that the project is going to pop up automatically in your phone for you to continue with your task. You can see now You can see now it is going to pop up automatically for you to continue with your task. Now you just go ahead and put in your login details, and then continue with what you are doing. Okay, so that's how you go about this issue. Whenever you are experiencing this, if you have been experiencing this before in your phone and you're looking for ways to go about it, so kindly turn off, go to your extension bar, turn off the particular project and do other ones. After you've completed other projects, you can now come back to this particular project. Now go and turn it on in where you have the extensions. Go and turn it on, and then you continue with your project. So guys, that's how to go about it. If you have any question or any other thing you want me to add, any other video you want me to do concerning this, or you have something you want to add to it, kindly drop it at the comment section so that I can know how to go about the process and create a video on how to help you guys. And if you find this video very helpful, turn on the bell button and subscribe to this channel so you don't miss out on our next video. See you on our next video.